Pink Candle Ritual for Love, Self-Love, and Attraction. This ritual is designed to invoke love, self-love, and attraction into your life. It will help you open your heart to love and invite the energy of your desires to flow toward you. The ritual will last for approximately 3 minutes, aligning you with your intentions in a powerful way. Preparation. Materials needed: a small 3-hour pink candle, light myrrh and rose oil mix to rub on yourself, patchouli incense, a red plum for offering, a piece of paper and red ink to write your request, a safe fireproof container or dish for placing the candle. Steps. Set the space. Begin by finding a quiet space where you will not be disturbed. Light your patchouli incense and place it nearby. As the incense smolders, let the calming, grounding scent fill the air. This will help you focus your mind and intentions. Prepare the candle. Place the small pink candle on a candlestick, ensuring it is stable and secure. Light the candle, and as you do, focus on the soft pink glow that represents love, compassion, and attraction. Self-anointing. Take the light myrrh and rose oil mix in your hands and rub it gently onto your pulse points, your wrists, neck, and over your heart. Visualize the oil infusing you with warmth, love, and attraction. As you rub it in, think of yourself as deserving of all the love and good energy in the world. Let this energy begin to flow through you. Next, rub a small amount of oil onto the soles of your sandals, symbolizing that love will walk with you wherever you go. The offering of the red plum. Hold the red plum in your hands. The plum is symbolic of the sweetness and abundance that love brings into your life. Esoterically, the plum represents the union of desire and fulfillment, the meeting of the heart and the soul. As you hold the plum, think of the love you wish to receive and the love you wish to give. Place the plum beside the candle as an offering. After the ritual, you will eat the plum to internalize its essence of love. Write your request. Take the piece of paper and red ink and write your request, what you want to bring into your life through love, attraction, or self-love. Be clear and specific, but also open to the flow of energy. Write it with intention and focus. After you've finished writing, fold the paper and place it under the candle. As the candle burns, know that your request is being heard by the universe. Fire gazing and visualization. Sit comfortably and allow your gaze to soften as you focus on the candle flame. Watch it dance and flicker. Breathe deeply and calmly. As you do so, visualize the outcome of your request. See yourself embodying the love and attraction you desire. Imagine the scenarios you wish to manifest and feel the emotions as if they are already happening. Let the flame serve as a mirror of your inner desires, igniting the energy within you. Closing. As the candle burns, allow yourself to feel grateful and open to receiving the love you've asked for. When the candle has burned down, eat the red plum slowly, savoring its sweetness, and let it represent the internalizing of your request. You've planted the seed of your desire, and now it will grow with the energy you've infused into it. End the ritual. Extinguish the candle when it's safe to do so, knowing that your intention has been set into motion. Carry the energy of love with you, and remember the power of this ritual as you move forward in your life. This ritual can be repeated whenever you wish to attract or nurture love in your life.